Jack, do you know what major event shook the world on August 3rd?
Let me guess. Something political, dramatic, or world-changing?
Oh, even better. On August 3rd, 1492, Christopher Columbus set sail from Spain with 3 ships, the Niña, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria, on a voyage that would change the course of human history forever. Can you imagine that moment? The beginning of the Age of Discovery.
That's huge! Without that voyage, the entire map of the world might look different today. If you had a time machine, would you go back to that harbor and stop him, or join the voyage?
Now that's a question for our audience. Would you have sailed with Columbus knowing the dangers ahead?
Before you answer, hang tight. Next up is a thrilling sports moment. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.
Sports. USA/World Championships.
Let's jump to August 3rd, 1984, the Summer Olympics in Los Angeles. That day, the legendary Carl Lewis won the gold medal in the 100-meter dash, echoing the greatness of Jesse Owens. That moment wasn't just about winning. It was about rewriting Olympic history.
And you know what's wild? Carl Lewis went on to win 4 gold medals, just like Owens did in 1936. It was a moment of legacy and redemption.
Speaking of legacies, stick around. Our next stop is the movie world, and there's an iconic film twist coming up.
Movie buffs, this is juicy. On August 3rd, 2001, The Princess Diaries hit theaters in the US.
That's right, Anne Hathaway's breakout role. And who could forget Julie Andrews as Queen Clarice? This film gave so many millennials their first taste of modern fairy tales.
It wasn't just a movie, it was a glow-up fantasy. Everyone wanted to discover they were secretly royalty.
Now, imagine you wake up tomorrow and find out you're heir to a throne. What would you do first? Tell us in the comments.
Coming up next, a throwback in the world of music that might hit your nostalgia nerve. Music.
Here's a beat drop from history. On August 3rd, 1987, Def Leppard released their iconic album, Hysteria.
And that album, it had hits like Pour Some Sugar on Me, the ultimate rock anthem of the late 80s.
This wasn't just music, it was rebellion, freedom, and leather jackets rolled into one explosive sound wave.
If you've ever blasted that song on full volume, you know what I mean. Next up, let's get out. Science and tech time. Science and technology. On August 4th, 2004, NASA launched the Messenger spacecraft to explore Mercury.
It was the first spacecraft to orbit Mercury and gave us unprecedented data about the planet closest to the sun.
Imagine sending a machine millions of miles through space and actually getting it to orbit a boiling hot planet.
We dare you to comment with your favorite space mission: Apollo, Voyager, Messenger.
We hold that thought. Next comes the world of arts, and this one's for dreamers and visionaries. Arts.
On August 3rd, 1926, Tony Bennett, one of America's greatest crooners and painters, was born.
Not just the singer, he was an artist in every sense. His painting talents were celebrated almost as much as his voice.
From I Left My Heart in San Francisco to his jazz duets with Lady Gaga, Bennett's legacy is timeless.
Which of his songs hits you right in the heart? Drop your tribute in the comments.
And guess what? There's more. Let's talk about other iconic personalities born on this day.
Big personality born. Besides Tony Bennett, Martin Sheen, star of Apocalypse Now and The West Wing, was born on August 3rd, 1940.
A powerhouse in film and politics, on and off screen.
And don't forget Tom Brady. Yes, the NFL legend was born on August 3rd, 1977.
Now that's a trio. Bennett, Sheen, and Brady. Music, movies, and football, all born on the same date.
Hey audience, if you could share a birthday with any legend, who would it be? Closing appeal and call to action.
If this trip down history lane gave you goosebumps or made you say, wow, I didn't know that, then we've done our job.
But don't just scroll past. hit subscribe because tomorrow's history might be even crazier.
And hey, drop a comment with your favorite fact from today, or tell us what event you would have wanted to witness firsthand.
History isn't just about the past, it's about what it makes us feel right now. Thanks for watching.
See you tomorrow. Until then, stay curious.